Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the index of error you might be getting in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you've not already logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page after logging in, and at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections we can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with fixing the error we might be having. So basically guys, this is what we have to do. As you can see right here in this official thread article of bluehost.com, where they have told us how to fix the index of error on a website. This is what we want to follow guys. Basically it's most likely going to be your htaccess file in your hosting options. So basically what you want to do guys is go ahead and open up your hosting options. Here we can go ahead and find the option for checking your index file and how you can get started with fixing it. So basically you want to go ahead and find your hosting options. If you're not familiar with your hosting options, you can go ahead and contact them using email, tell them what the problem is, and they're going to go ahead and give you step-by-step options on how you can get started with entering your account manager in your hosting options. Let's say you're using Hostinger, you can open up their panel and follow the steps right here. Basically guys, we are looking for the panel options where we're going to go ahead and find the file manager, and we're going to go ahead and start searching for the htaccess file. There we're going to open up the htaccess file and edit it, and what you want to do edit it guys is to go ahead and input the code right here. As you can see, you want to disable some directory listings and save the code right here that you can see and save the changes. So once you have applied those changes into your htaccess file, this is most likely going to fix your index of error that you keep getting in WordPress, and this is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.